Welcome back to Introduction to Web Development. This is video 4 out of 4. Just a few different free resources I want to show you in this. It'll be a fairly quick video. I just want to show you we can get some free photos, free videos, get some free templates for your website, and overall some more information about Pagendo and maybe some other templates they have for you. Alright, so with this, if you go to unsplash.com, you can go ahead and here, and you will find a bunch of photos that are absolutely free. Now, please keep in mind that on Unsplash, they do suggest that you go ahead and credit the photographer, and it's very respectful to do so. You wouldn't want someone taking your own work. However, that being said, if you can find a way to work that in your website, that's great. If you can't, it's still free. You're not going to get a copyright notice and nothing. You're good to use it. So, for example, I want to go up here and I want to say sheet music. I have on here 6,064 free sheet music photos available to me. I'm able to come in here, pick the one that I want, copy image address, or even just save the image. I get to get that image there for me. Now what you want to do is, in here you can click this, click on info to find more information about it, or you can click on share here. You can get the link. Really what you're wanting to do is go ahead and credit this guy here and send that over to him. So what you can do is grab his name, grab the link, basically put that in your website, and now people know you got your photo from him. It's just respectful to do. Now the same thing is with Pexels. You can do the exact same thing. Get a whole bunch of free images. Maybe they have some that Unsplash does not. Go ahead and type in sheet music. Now I've got a lot more different options as well. I got 1.92 thousand photos, so close to 2,000 photos on here that are different from Unsplash. Some might be the same, but overall I got more options. That being said, I also have 82 videos. So the cool thing about Pexels versus Unsplash is they do have videos. So you want to add a video to your website, or maybe you're making a advertisement. A lot of different things. You have resources. They are free. These are copyright free. However, like Unsplash, they do request that you do credit the photographer or the video creator, and it's just respectful to do so. Now, Bootstrap. Bootstrap is really cool, really good for any web developer. So if you know at least a little bit of code, you can use Bootstrap to get by, build your own completely from the base up. It's awesome. That, or you can go ahead and click on themes. And they have pre-built solutions here. They do cost a little bit of money if you get it pre-built, but they're a basis to get you going, and they're really good. Or you can go back to Bootstrap, and you can go ahead and click on examples. Same thing here. They've got base websites, basically, that you can use. So if you have a blog and you want to do a blog, they've got your base website here. That being said, you can go to freewebsitetemplates.com, and they have a whole bunch of free website templates. You can find them. These ones show on Wix. I wouldn't recommend those. So what I would do is go ahead and say HTML. So let's just go over here to free website, and you can go ahead and edit any of these and download them for your website. Now with Pagendo, like I mentioned, they do have a template library. Now with that, Pagendo normally does not give you much freedom with that. So if I go here to new project, let me show you what I mean. So here is their template library. They're a little more advanced to use, but they're really easy. How they don't give you as many as they show in that photo. That's because these are the free ones. If you want to use any of these other ones here, they do cost a bit of money. It comes with their $9 a month plan. Now the difference between these plans is, on the free version, you get a few free days a month. You have all day to use them. You can space out your days between a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It doesn't really matter. You just have a day. So with that, you have a whole bunch of updates. However, they brand your page and they put ads in there. So if you pay your $9 a month for the premium, you get basically unlimited. You don't have to worry about how often you use it. You get all those updates. They're unbranded. You get your ad free, and you get more templates. So those are some viable options for you in your business as you get started. Mind you, this $9 a month is billed per month. So maybe you'll need it for 1 month. Great, you only paid $9. Or if you want to go ahead and do it other ways you can do so. So really, if you have any other questions regarding any more free resources or templates, you can go to our website, www.timelydevs.com, and go click on our article link, and you can view some articles about cool resources, some code information, and just really more material for you. That, or you can submit a contact request on our website underneath General, and you can go ahead and ask us, like, hey, do you know anything that can do this for me? And we will respond, and we will do our best to help you. Or you can also give us an email to info@timelydevs.com to get more information about that and get more resources for you.